Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse and Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group membership, where you can come sew along with me and other members our year-long block of the month, our fall mystery quilt. We have guest designers, swaps, and sew days throughout the month. Check the link in the description for your personal invitation to join me. Today, we are going to be opening up a surprise box from Jenny Doan Missouiri Star Christmas Quilt Box. So I've got another video that you can check out what's inside as far as when you open the box. Today we are going to be unwrapping one of the days and see what's inside. I love surprises, so this is going to be a lot of fun. All right, we have just a few left. So today is day 22. It's got a pen. Okay, I think there's a pen. Maybe it's a notebook. Let's see how wrong I am today. Okay, I was partially correct with the pen, but there's something else in here. Oh, Leatherworks, Hometown Leatherworks. Okay, so you've got leather squares that are hole punched on the side, I'm assuming, so you can sew them down. Let's look and see what this is. Monogram Accessories Felt Kit. This is really quite cute. Okay, so it's the instructions. Let me open this up. You're getting the felt, and then you've got the template, and then the marking pencil. It's probably like a white chalk. This is what I want. Oh, and you have more templates. Oh, for the monogram. This would be such a fun project, wouldn't it? To monogram something, either for yourself or for a gift or giveaway, or I always say giveaway because that's my world, but like a gift for a swap or something like that. Okay, so this has all the instructions. So the marking pen does look like the stencil, chalk pencil. So it is a chalk pencil because it's not marked on here. So it's a chalk pencil, and you just use your stencils and mark out your design and then cut it out and hand stitch, because you know you're using the buttonhole on this on the outside. Super easy. This is an easy project. I'm going to say easy, but it is. Don't be afraid of this. And then here's the leather squares that go in the corners, because they've got, these are the ones that you use on your book to keep your page. That's way cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. This is a fun project. This is very different from the quilting, you know, regular quilting like a baby quilt or something else like that. So this is a fun pack.